What's going on, everyone? Today's April 20th, 2020. Here to give y'all this update in Cardano paired against Tether on the Binance exchange. We're here to give you all the price news according to the price chart. We're known as HueFin as well as HueFin News, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like the video, share the video, and make sure you join us on the other social media platforms, specifically our website, HueFinancial.com. You guys see how simple it is on our price chart as well as our speech. You definitely need to continue to follow us because it's our purpose to give you all a heads up as to what the market trappers are trying to do on their next move. So let's talk. Alright, so here we are. Like I said, the last time we did our video in Cardano was on April the 16th, looking for the market in Cardano to see movement higher, and it did. I mean, from the standpoint from when we did our video, the market was trading right around this particular vicinity, expecting the market move higher. We got that out into the space. I want you all to take note that the market trappers in this place is finding this area for restriction. Even so far for today, Cardano is still reflecting to us a lot of weakness, and that area is being a formidable player in not allowing Cardano to see higher price. So if you were to take out the profit right now, where you're at, where we're trading at right now, it'd be about 6.5% profit into the market. If you was able to time the top, about 10.5%. All right, so literally the market has moved to the upside in price, but not substantially. And given the fact that we did our video on the 16th, 4 days since, and we're still unable to break this restriction level, is very concerning. I just want to tell you that. All right, so let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this too. I'm going to start off this video, this forecast in Cardano, looking at the weekly time frame. So when you look at Cardano on the weekly time frame, I mean, not a lot has really changed based off what we have here back in December of 2019. This market, though, has consumed up a lot of volume in terms of the market trappers selling their Cardano shares into the space, which is a positive thing. Based off the volume that came through the last couple of weeks, and we continue to see the market move higher, it's very good to see that play out. But you know what I'm not noticing is a bullish type of scenario to where I'm expecting a huge breakout to the upside. Okay, we have already established that this area right here is support, right there around 3 cents. And that's why we're still seeing this market in Cardano continue to see some move higher. Okay, so it's still a pretty good battle going on between the market trappers and everyone else. Last week we did move to the downside, came and bounced off 3 cents, but we still closed off the highs. So we still got some sellers involved into the market in Cardano so far. Daily time frame, again, still seeing that weakness playing out in Cardano. I'm not going to tell you any stories. They're trying to move this price higher in Cardano, but there's just still so much stockpile in the space that is hindering Cardano from breaking up above 0.037. 4-hour chart, you guys can tell right here that this market is still reflecting to us a lot of weakness. It's literally based off where we already been. You know, this is what we're already getting. We went through that once, and this market is trying to go through that once again. And the 4-hour chart looks real weak. 3-hour chart giving us the same thing. 2-hour, same thing. Okay, so this market literally needs to hold price. Right around this particular vicinity. We cannot break below this line that I'm drawing on our chart right now. Okay, so yeah, we could play this market move in Cardano to the downside. And I would TP the market right there around 3.5 cents. maybe about 1.6%, not much, but I can tell that the market trappers can definitely try to hold some support right there around 3.5 cents. Okay, so this is how we're going to play the market. We're going to have to play it on an hourly time frame to allow it to play out and give us an ample amount of time to actually gauge how this market trappers are trying to play this coin. So we're going to play the market move to the downside in Cardano, but strictly on the 4-hour chart. The market is giving us some weakness, stated earlier, 3.5 cents, maybe a little higher than that, because I can see the tops of these 4-hour bars right here for support. So like 0.0352 will be TP, only under the presumption that we do get strength into the market, but right now I don't see that. So yeah, we're going to play this market forecast to the downside in Cardano. Not much, because we are still literally following some movement higher. It's just taking its sweet old time. So I'm looking for the market just to try to bounce off this line or near it, and then try to see the move higher once again. That's why we're playing this market move lower. Simple to see, simple to understand. Hey, make sure you maintain a profitability. And like I said, join us on all of our other social media platforms, as well as on our website. All the links in the description of this video. I'm done.